if seagulls drink the algae, the feathers will get into the algae and the algae will make all of these, and the algae will stop all of these weathers because that's going slow, that way's blocking it, that way's blocking it because they're building it. So that means we have to fix everything that they done and that we have done. That's algae, that water, and that's the water that's going into there, and if that goes into there, seagulls get fish from there and fish will die, and seagulls will die because they go in water that will make it go around there and back up to there.
Okay, all right.